Dealing with spider webs can be daunting, especially for those with arachnophobia, but there are effective methods to remove them without fear. Using a vacuum cleaner is one of the best ways to eliminate webs, with handheld vacuums being particularly handy for tight spaces. For hard-to-reach areas, a soft duster or a DIY tool using a rubber band and a sock can help. For speckled ceilings, wrapping duct tape around a paint roller can effectively lift webs. To tackle windows, spray them with water to dislodge webs and replace any damaged screens to prevent spider entry. Additionally, a mixture of bleach and water can eliminate live webs and spider eggs, but it's crucial to wear protective gear and handle bleach safely. Regularly check your home's nooks and crannies to catch spider activity early and maintain a spider-free environment.